PCBasic has maintained IPC Class 3 certification for many consecutive years. Why can a medium and small batch PCBA factory keep achieving IPC Class 3 certification year after year? The answer is not size. It is a long-term, stable manufacturing system. First, risks are reviewed before production. Our engineering team checks PCB files, BOM, assembly requirements, and test plans in advance. We identify risks in fine-pitch components, BGA, QFN, polarized components, special materials, and test points. Second, quality control starts when materials enter the factory. Component models, packages, quantities, date codes, moisture sensitivity levels, and packaging conditions are all checked. Because if materials are unstable, even a strong process cannot ensure stable results. Third, production does not rely only on final inspection. SPI checks solder paste printing. AOI checks placement, polarity, missing components, and solder joints. X-ray inspects hidden solder joints such as BGA and QFN. Then, flying probe, ICT, or FCT is selected based on product requirements. The goal is simple: find problems earlier and reduce hidden defects. Fourth, we rely on system traceability, not human memory. Material information, production data, inspection records, and test results can all be traced to specific process steps. Fifth, standards are executed consistently. IPC Class 3 is not achieved by one machine. It requires engineering, sourcing, production, quality, and testing teams to follow the same standard over the long term. That is why PCBasic can meet IPC Class 3 manufacturing requirements year after year. High reliability PCBA is not built by luck. It is built by systems, processes, inspection, traceability, and long-term execution.